All right, what's up? What's up? I'm live, and I don't know if I'll take a trade. I just might do some tape reading. It's low, really low probability. We're just consolidating after this big displacement lower. I think maybe overnight, maybe Friday, we're gonna do something like this. Come back into this previous day low, bounce there, and hit this 4 hour BISI right here. I think that's the target for tomorrow. But today, um, I'm thinking overnight will probably create some liquidity during Asia, and then yeah, and then hit this target. But I mean, I don't know. We'll see what happens. We might hit it right now. Um, I'm trading quarterly theory and seeing how this works. Um, not taking any positions until I get this. So we see what 330 does. For now, we have the quarterly theory. I'm looking for SMTs, SSMTs, sequential SMTs between these quarters. These are 31. See, these are the 90-minute cycles here, day cycles, microcycles. So trying out some indicators to see if this works well. This is ES, this is YM. This is supposed to plot the macro SMTs on the macros, but I'm also having visually here with this SSP indicator. Not loving how this looks. Like the design of it shows further away, but anyway. Okay, so it looks like probably going to be heading lower. See why I'm creating some displacement here. It's probably going to get continuation um, down to these lows as first target. I think a good target would be right about there, 15-minute body, kind of around there. And then if we hit that, I'm just expecting some more chop. I don't know if we'll take external to hit this down there. I don't know. We'll see. We really got, this is an hourly BIST right here on ES. So we really got to get displacement through there, if anything. So that'll kind of be the first target. Not be hunting for long right now, especially with YM. YM looks like it's got a microstructure chip. And I'm looking for, this is a good entry right here. But 3 more minutes till the true open of this PM session, PMSO of this micro session. So we might just hit it already, this first target. And see what we do there. Okay, it's failed. Let's do some tape reading. Yeah, see. So see what happens when so this is showing which SMTs are active. I don't like these dots though. I wish these took away these dots. Obviously in the higher time frame we're bearish at monthly, but on the short term macro and 90-minute macro, we might be having some slight retrace. But here's to see what price is going to do on YM, if we're going to go lower or if we're going to second. So let's see here. We got 1 more minute, see where price opens up. All right, so we took out that liquidity. This 15-minute candle. Don't delete that. We have a 4 hour fill here, which, like I said, I think we're gonna hit this on Friday. I don't know if we'll this place lower this last kind of day, but could be wrong. We could be just really bearish. So we'll see. We got a couple more seconds left. Wow, I'm really missed that move. That's a big move. How many points is that? 2 points. Good move. So if I'm going short and we'll leave this here, I want to wait till we get above PM open. And so there's the 20 macro trope in here. And I want to be ideally get above PMO. I want to go short into this sell side. Man, no entry. It'd be nice if we could retrace into this 15-minute inversion. So I'd love them to leave these lows and then big order block right here. See, 5-minute inversions, 5-minute cut balance, 5-minute gap right here. Yeah, man, they just might just run it without me. So if there's any SMTs on this little, are gonna get retrace here. Need to see YM break that. Gosh, I think it's gonna go there without me. See what 30 candle does. No. So PM, we might come back into this range, like at MOC. YM's probably reaching for this volume imbalance right here. If I can fill that. Yeah, there it is. Already went there. So YM's gonna inverse this 1 minute, probably, and then this is another 1 minute Sibi inversion. On the other side of the curve, that's ES is gonna probably inverse, and I'm waiting for a retrace. I'm gonna see a retrace up in here, at least 26, 36. We got 4 minutes till 3:30. Once NQ takes this, if we leave the SMT, we'll probably go back into the range. creating SMT. So just waiting for a retrace. If we get a little retrace here, or we're just gonna, looks like we're just gonna dump. Here's SMT right here. These two candles, but it's too low in discount to go short. You just get above this 823 level to even think about going short, ideally above PMO. But PMO might be the PM open might be the draw after we hit this low, and then we'll retrace back up in here. But yeah, I mean, there we go. A little retrace. Like a little bit higher. Points. Okay. See if we can. All right, I'm looking for this 330 candle to wick up and then go back down. Alrighty, I need this. Come on, 30 seconds left. I think it's about just hit it and before this runs over. 20 seconds left. I'd love to see a wick up and then down, but it looks like it's gonna go there right now. Yeah, there it is. So let's see if we get SMT here. I'm gonna attempt to soup this, but in a second. Not gonna soup it, but we get any type of displacement higher, then get back on the retrace. Okay. I'm gonna create a busy. No, no busy created. Came up to TMSO and then rejected TMSO. So it tells me that I think we're gonna go lower. See, yeah. I'll be hitting around the 800 level, 850 by the next target. And yeah, we're dumping. Ah, so since we rejected TMSO, I have a new framework that I'm creating, so just a little less confident in my position on like entries here. Um, this SMT supposed to be SSMT indicator, a sequential SMT indicator, not really helping out. Let me get rid of these. Those look really, looks like a lot of trendline liquidity. No BISI's created yet, so let's just keep waiting. I think we're so bearish. Any retrace is going to be to go lower. Let's see what those standard deviations. The manipulation leg right here. Down. Yeah, I think our next target is around this price level 750. Around there. So let's see if those targets get hit today in this end of day MOC. If I get a clear SMT, probably okay. So this is here. Let's see some. Okay, we created a. Let's see what this looks like. Find a little stiffy on ES. Let's see that hold. And this inversion. So we're rejecting there. Let's see if we hold this level or not. Quarter blocks. I'm going to see if this used as a SMT there. Let's see if we get a leg lower. We close below here. 804, 17. That's kind of a big stop. I don't like these equal highs right here. Relative equal highs. I think we'll probably wipe these and then go lower. S&P is not confirmed yet, so we get some displacement higher. And I think this is just a fake out. We're going to take out these highs and then go lower. I might a small soup position. We might go. See us maybe retracing up to here. Yes, 5 minutes SIBI here. 23. 41. 3. Still looking bearish. Okay, so there we go. We're getting above TMSO. And I want to see us bounce. I mean, like, yeah, these candles are like, they're all balanced, not really creating any bissies, or it's just really messy. Just bouncing price out here. So that's why I'm not bullish unless I see some really clear displacement up higher. And then we reject again. We need to see us get above TMSO to short. Gosh dang it. Because wine's reaching through here. So no entry. So TMSO would be above. I want to get above TMSO to enter. That's true premium. And we're in discount right now. So lower probability to take the trade. Even though I think we're still headed to 750. Hitting here in YM 5 minute, feel those 5 minute busy, 50 minute fill right there. I think that's where we're headed on YM. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We create a breaker here. Open this.
Order filled.
Wow, it's loud. Soup that. And I just need to see this hold on YM and ES. PM open. You might fill this. Might come up here. It might be a little early. Come on. I might be in the wrong. Checking this. Might be in the wrong here, so let me just see if once YM hits here, I'll target here. Take a couple off. Okay, good.
Order working.
Good soup. Okay. I think I'm gonna go break even here. Once Wime hits this, I'll go break even. No SMTs yet. I need to see some SMTs up higher here too. I don't like that. There we go. Okay. Wime's about
Order
to hit this.
working.
I need to see Wime displaced through here. Got this order block here. Let's see how if we might give a couple attempts here at this break even trade. Let's see here. Yes, rejected PMO. And perfect. I think 100. I need to see this used as resistance. I need to see something like this. Why I'm teasing this low here. And I think I might take one off just to lock in some profits right here. Yeah, took that. I think I'm gonna buy one. Let's see if we get some follow through or not. I don't know if I want to get too greedy here. Next target for YM would be here. See YM get through this. All right, once ES takes this, see if we can get displacement lower. Rejection wick. Oh man. See if ES will catch up. Five candle. And once ES takes this, I'll take one off. Hoping to see. I need to see a SIBI created in this level. I need to see this used as resistance here. Same with YM. You see that use this as resistance. Let's see here. YM does. Nice. Come on. Open. Okay. Perfect. YM's going to here next. Yes, is going to hit here. Let's see if where's the left side of the curve. What am I aiming for on this side? Probably okay. Dropping like it's hot. Perfect. Let's keep pulling. And next level for you might drop all the way down here to 700.
Order working.
Let's see. If wine ticks out at break even pre-trade. Let's see here. I'd like that we created a SIBI here on ES at this low, so we'll use as resistance. Got another tiny little SIBI right here. I'm gonna see this used as resistance. Yep, drop legs hot. Okay, let's just keep holding. Man, I kind of wish I went heavier. I only had 2 contracts in, but I'll take it. It's timed perfectly. MSO. Man, quarterly theory is saucy. Souped it right up here. So it was only a drawdown of 24, 34, about 10-point drawdown. But yeah, I'm about to hit this. I want to see us. And the timing of this 45 candle. Like that. 39. I'm expecting this 50 candle to just displace lower, take out this first target. Waiting. Let's see what this 50 candle does. I wanted to see just the dump down, dump lower. We got some resistance here. I want to see why I'm hit this target down here at this wickless candle. Come down lower, 50. All right, reach my first target. Perfect.
Order filled.
Boom. Locked in. Profits.
Order cancelled. Order
See
working.
if we get all the way to 700, 24,700. So I want to see why I'm use this as resistance here. I think I'm going to try out my stop pretty tight here. Nice, we're dropping. Okay, so YM's dropping. I'm expecting YM to hit this low. Massive, massive move. How many points is that? That is 4. 126 move. And 6R trade. Crazy. Let's see if it hits. Oh, okay, gotta be careful now. YM hit this external. So I want to see it really drop and takes out. I want to see why I'm displaced through this drop as well, but I'm a little bit. Where's the range on? Let's see ES fill this gap here on the hourly. CE of this rejection. Hold on. hope hit this today. I don't like seeing YM reject that. I'm going to see an IO fed right here. So yes, just tap that. I need to see just a quick up and down. Just barely a tap into. I'm going to put my stop at like half of this. I want to see, yeah, I just want to see it reject right there. If it doesn't reject, then I'm just going to get out. I don't want it to come close to 50% of this SIBI. I want to see it respect. Fill on YM there and put my stop at okay. I think we're about to reverse. I'll just let myself get stopped out here.
Stop filled. Order cancelled.
All right. Well, that was a good move. It didn't quite hit full all the way down to my target, but see what this 55 candle does. Okay, see if PM open holds for YM or not. If we reject it, I think we're about to just up for -4 for a lot for 5 levels. Kind of typical reverse. I mean, that's a great long entry right there, just a breaker conversion. But back into 50% of the range. Yeah, could have longed that, but I'm not going to long that. I'm done. One and done. Candle. Second look like. That should be support. If we displace through this and go lower, then I'll be kind of pissed. I'm going to stop that trail too tight. I think we're still headed lower. Yeah. Until we get over these gaps, I'll be expecting lower prices until we get over those gaps. Here. Um, Still think we're gonna lower. Keep rejecting this SIBI. Once we get past this BISI on ES, if we get past there, we'll go lower. Come on. Ready? Ready? Okay. Um, hit the lower. There it is. This we'll probably just chop around. I think. Hey, buddy. Probably just chop. I. Oh,
You make the room?
Yep, already did. Yeah, there we go. There's the close. It's gonna end up out in this range. I think that we're saving this for Friday. Try to create some consolidation overnight, and then we got these highs overnight in Asia, and then we got those highs overnight, and then hit this later, or we might hit it right now in Asia, and then consolidate or like retrace from there, or go lower.
It's lunchtime.
Okay, buddy, let's go to bed.
What?
It's lunchtime. It is. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Hope you caught the trade with me. It was a beautiful, beautiful move. That was a VR trade. Stop. I was willing actually to go up here. If it had gone up to the 5-minute civvy, I would have added right there. Anyway.